Welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard, your virtual classroom coach, and this is the place to discover and share everything there is to know about live online learning and more. So if you want to become a virtual classroom champion, subscribe and keep on watching. Now in this video, it's a sorry and a fix. So in my last couple of videos I've been using and recommending a Chromakey green screen. Now it dramatically enhances video quality when using virtual backgrounds or when overlaying your video onto slides. Now I also said how easy it pops up, which it does, and how portable it is when collapsed back down. Now a couple of subscribers and friends who purchased theirs contacted me to say it's not easy at all to get back into that round storage bag. So I thought it must be, so I decided to have a go, and this is where the sorry comes in, because I too found it a real challenge. So much so, mine has been leaning against my studio wall ever since, rendering my notice board unusable and basically getting on my nerves. So rather than suffer, I thought I'd make use of it in other parts of the house, and some might say palming it off. But first I thought I'd splash a bit of colour into my mum's bedroom, which for me solved two problems in one. But for some reason she was having none of it. So I then tried it as a big rug in the lounge. Now clearly Lucy loved it, but for me there was something not quite right. I don't know, maybe the colour or something. So back upstairs it went to continue basically getting on my nerves and casting a lovely green hue over my face and overshadowing my wall. But this just couldn't last forever. In fact, even the notice board eventually made a cry for help in the end. So it was time to just get it out of the house once and for all, especially as it was turning sort of triffid-like and starting to grow. So I carefully moved it outside to the garden, firstly to impress my neighbours by showing off my new Olympic-sized outdoor swimming pool. And although they were clearly impressed, deep down I just knew this illusion just wasn't sustainable long term. So it's been sat in the garden for quite a few days now, and really it's time to crack the code of collapsing the chroma, because if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, let's go out to the garden. Okay, here we are, and there it is. Let's do this. Done it. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. I need to lie down. We've done it. We've bossed the blue. We've been mean to the green. My studio is now finally clear. My notice board can breathe again, and hopefully your space can too. So that's it for now. Don't forget to catch my other videos, especially the ones that use Chromakey. Also, please leave a message in the comments below and let me know what other L&D topics you'd like covered. But until next time, as always, thanks so much for watching.